Hey everyone, welcome again. So in this video, you will learn how you can connect Typeform application with Microsoft Teams such that as and when you are going to receive a form submission using Typeform, a notification message will be sent to your team about the form submission along with these form submissions details. So you can see on my screen now, this will be the flow of this automation. Here, as you can see, as and when a new form is going to be submitted, a message will be delivered to your team working on Microsoft Teams automatically. So you do not have to manually see that form submissions data, and you do not have to manually notify your team for each submission. So it will save your time and your manual efforts. And guys, we are using Pabbly Connect to make this happen, which is an integration and automation tool. And you can set up this automation very easily without any coding skills. So now let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So to set up this automation, guys, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here, you can use this link pabbly.com/connect, and we have pasted this same link in the description. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks every month. Okay. So sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as Typeform to Microsoft Teams automation. Okay. So after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page started loading up here. And this is the workflow page. Here you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things only. So the trigger here is that event which is going to make this workflow run, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. So in this use case, the trigger would be a new submission received from Typeform, and the action towards this trigger would be to send a message to the team in Microsoft Teams application. Okay, so first of all, you need to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field, choose Typeform as the trigger application, and in place of Typeform, you can use any other form building application as well. So here you can see in this choose app list, you can search for JotForm. Here is JotForm. If you want to connect Google Forms, we have Google Forms. So we have many form building applications here. You can select anyone. Right now I am using Typeform. Here is Typeform. Okay, and in the trigger event, you have to select new entry option, and now click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Typeform. Alright, so it is asking to choose your account from here and give the access to Pabbly Connect. So from here you have to scroll down and click on accept, and you will be connected with Typeform. You can see we are now connected. Right, and this is my Typeform applications dashboard, and here I have created this form. Let me show you. This is a form I have created named as my Typeform. Okay, so this is a kind of IT request form I have created, and I'm going to select this form here from this list. Okay, and now click on save and send test request, and after that it will start waiting for the response of this connection. It will start listening, and as and when I'm going to submit the form, the data of this connection will be captured here in this workflow. So let me click on save and send test request, and here you can see it started showing waiting. So this means now we can perform a test submission. So to perform a test submission, I'm going to fill the form here. So I'm going to fill some dummy details of any dummy person. So the first name of the person is dummy only, last name is person, the email address, let's say, is this. Okay, and the department is, let's say, UX designs. Okay, and here it is asking for the ticket description. So it's a ticket raising form we have created. So I'm putting the description as So guys, I have given a small description of the ticket or an issue. So now I'm going to click on submit and you can see the form is submitted. So let me check in my workflow if we got the date of this form submission. And here you can see in this response received section, we get the response like this. Okay, so it is showing you the date and time of the submission, the title of the form, and here you will find the received data also. When you scroll down, right now it is showing the fields, and here you can see we got the first name here, which is dummy, the last name is person, now the email address is here, the department's name is here, the description is here. So that's how you can capture the data in these labels here in this response. Now guys, I want to send this form submissions notification to my team, which is here in this sales and marketing channel in Microsoft Teams. Okay, for that to happen, I'm going to connect Microsoft Teams here in the sections tab. So from this choose app field, search for Microsoft Teams. Here it is selected. All right, and in the action event, select send message in a channel option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on Microsoft Teams, and from this window you have to give the access to Pabbly Connect. Just skip this step. Okay, so from here click on accept and you will be connected with Microsoft Teams. Right, so we are now connected, and here it is asking to select your team. So my team is this one, sales and marketing. So I'm going to select sales and marketing from here, and then it will ask for the channel. So in this team we have general channel and the monthly reports channel, so I'm selecting general channel right now. Okay, and here in the message you can type a message, a notification message for your team for every form submission. So here let me type a message. So this is the message I have written for my team. You can see, hello team, this is to inform you that we got a new submission from our ticket raising form. The details are as follows, and here you can see I'm going to map the data that I have received here from my form submission in the first tab. Okay, so the test data that we have received here is this. So I'm going to map these labels that I have received here in after these things. So after name, I'm going to map the name label from the first step. So when I'm going to click here, you can see it started showing this Typeform new entry step in the drop down. So from here only I can get the details that I have received in the first step, and from here only I can map the label as this. So this is the first name label I have mapped, and similarly I'm going to type the last name. Okay, and here let me map the email address of the person, and similarly we can map the department. So we'll find the department here like this. Okay, and also the description. Right, so we are done mapping all the details here in the message. And when you map the labels here like this, what will happen after setting up this automation, as and when you are going to receive any new form submission, the data will be changed, the labels will change accordingly, and you will receive a new message here every time in your general channel. So let me check the connection with Microsoft Team. Just click on save and send test request, and you will receive a new message here in this general text channel. Let me show you. So I have clicked on save and send test request, and this is the response we have received here. Let's check in our Microsoft Teams channel if we got. Okay, so you can see we have received a new message just now, and it is showing, hello team, this is to inform you that we got a new submission from our ticket raising form. The details are these, and you can see these are the same details that we got filled in the form, and we have mapped the data here like this. You can see dummy person, US designing, and you can see this is the same data we have received here in this message. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. Now we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here in the workflow. After that, as and when any person is going to fill your form, these messages are going to be received by your team automatically in this channel. So You can use this same workflow also, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and you can start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.